In this video, I will show how to copy and paste in Illustrator. So to copy, select your object, right click and copy. Also you can copy from edit and copy. To paste, right click and paste it. And there are some options to paste. You can paste in front, in back, paste in place, so you can paste anywhere. Paste on all artboards if you have multiple artboards. So just copy one time and it will paste in all artboards. So these all options you can try. Select it, now copy. Now paste in back or paste in place. So select both. So these are the options you can try in Illustrator. Thanks for watching.